Hi there, and welcome to my channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about Bharat Rasayan, which is an interesting mid cap and one that has done well over the last, you can say, few months and has declined over the last few weeks. So let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First, our disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Bharat Rasayan, here's a small request. Can you support me on Patreon? What's true that help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get a $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay $100 upfront. You get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk or number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. You can also get WhatsApp membership if you can email me. Now, the company established in 1989, it manufactures a number of agrochemical products and it exports to Europe, Africa, South America, and parts of some parts of Asia. Their major products include technical insecticides and wide range of pesticides plus bulk formulations. One of the larger, you can say, agrochemical companies that we can look at. The market cap of the company has reduced because the stock has fallen over 20% over the last few days, a few sessions. Market cap is now 4,500 crores. There's a high promoter holding. So the market sentiment is not that great. So that's why the market has probably the stock has fallen. But although the fundamentals look good, which I'll talk about in this presentation. So if you look at the financials, these are Q4 numbers this year versus last year. So sales went up by 63%. You have the profit going up by 40%. They have reduced debt to very strong numbers, only 12% free float, so 88% with the large institutional investors or the promoters. ROE of 32% is strong. Margins of 19% has dipped a little bit from 21%, but that has happened with all the companies across the board. Hopefully things should get better from next year onwards. In terms of performance, stock has been an outperformer for the past 5 years. So it has done just 20% in the last 2 years. It hasn't been, you can say, it hasn't been so special. In fact, after the decline in the recent, you can say, recent time, it has fallen 22% from the top in the past few weeks. If you look at a 4 year chart over the last 4 years, the stock has dipped, the stock has done just about 20-22%, so upside over the last 4 years. So it hasn't done that a lot, you can say, from the top after falling. So these are very attractive levels because numbers have remained robust even in difficult times for this company. In terms of technicals, I believe that have recently seen a fall from the top. It was doing pretty well. It went to 11,500, 700 levels, but over the last 1 month or so has fallen around 20%. Has consolidated for months between 9,000 to 11,000 in this range. Looks strong on charts. On a long-term charts, it looks strong. The major breakout is expected above not 1,200 but 12,000. So the major breakout is expected above 12,000 and the short term support lies around 10,000. It is around 10,800. Very good levels to start accumulating. It could breach 10,000 and go lower, so you can probably buy 20-25% of your total investment now, and then later on you can add on to it. Not a good short term call at the moment with the kind of market we are in. It seems like that we could see further fall in the market, but from a long term point of view, from a 3 year point of view, if you can buy now and then at 10,000, 9,500 accumulate, then this would be a very good buy. So current levels good to buy from a medium term point of view. So in my opinion, buy on major declines, some at current market price and some at 10,000, then 9,500 or those levels. One of the better agree plays, and do not chase the stock. Do not buy when it runs up a lot. So that's why these are good levels to buy when it has corrected over the last few weeks, as I explained. Have only 5% exposure into such stocks. and only add when stock dips. So this has been a dip already in the last few weeks, so you can buy now, then wait for further dips after a rally to buy even further. So this was a video on Bharat Rasayan. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you get video straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.